Today we're making salsa verde. It's perfect with this crispy skinned salmon or any barbecue seafood, to be honest. Stick around to the end and I'll show you some other ideas.
Now that I'm an influencer and I've gone viral, I've decided to come up with the Metal Chef's Trying to Be Hopeless quick and easy cooking classes, where I show you how to make simple sauces, but they're absolutely full of flavour and they're perfect for a weekend barbie, for a pasta, on your eggs in the morning. Who gives a shit what you do with it? Just make it. Come with me and I'll show you how.
Salsa verde, what does it mean? It means green sauce. So what have I got? Come on in, have a little look here. I've got some dill, some basil, some parsley. I like to bulk it out with rocket and spinach, gives a little bit of peppery flavour. I've got some mint over here, and then I'll also add preserved lemon, capers, chilli, pepper, and salt. Can I use other herbs? Yes. Does it have to be an exact quantity? No. This might look like a ridiculous amount of herbs, but trust me, it blitzes down and it makes a beautiful little sauce. Add a bit of olive oil. Don't forget to add a little bit of lemon juice. It keeps your green green. All right, give it a little taste. Adjust it to how you like it. This is good for a couple of days in the fridge.